Hi friend, this is San from Isan Technical Master. Today I am going to unbox both USB cables. So let's begin. So I have ordered this from Flipkart in the sale for ₹89. I'll give you the link in the description to buy it. So this is the bill. I have ordered this for ₹89 in a sale, and this is the box. Micro USB cable 1 meter. It is tough cable, and here is written metallic aluminum tips, premium braided cable, durable connector, 2 years warranty, and it works with Android, BlackBerry and Windows, any micro USB powered devices. And now this MRP is $6.99. You can see. So let's unbox this. This is the cable. And this is the 2 years warranty card. Here it is written both heads and follow us on. So let's see this build quality. This is braided, nylon braided, and here is both branding in there. And this is the USB cable. So this is a very nice cable for ₹89. You can buy this on Flipkart. Thanks for watching this video.